Welcome to our space dedicated to health, well-being, and sexuality at all stages of life. In today's video, we're going to discuss a topic that, although sensitive for some, is essential for men's health: the relationship between masturbation and prostate well-being. Have you ever stopped to think that the frequency of ejaculation can directly influence prostate health? This information might surprise you, or perhaps you've heard about it before, but today we're going to explore this connection in a respectful and science-based way. So stay until the end. What you'll discover may change the way you see your own body or your partner's. Discussing masturbation in later years is crucial to fully understanding men's health care. For decades, topics related to sexuality have been avoided, especially among those over 50. However, it's important to recognize sexuality not only as a source of pleasure but as a vital component of a man's overall health. It's not just about intimacy, it's about well-being, confidence, and quality of life. Masturbation is often seen as just a physical act, but in reality, it plays a deeper role. It allows men to reconnect with their bodies, to become more aware of the natural changes that come with aging. As men age, many experience shifts such as erectile dysfunction, lower libido, or changes in stamina. These transformations can lead to insecurities and self-esteem issues, especially when sexuality is viewed as something only for younger men. But when masturbation is approached without shame or judgment, it becomes a powerful self-care tool. It helps reduce anxiety, boosts self-confidence, and allows men to explore their evolving bodies. This is particularly important during phases when social stigmas might make men reluctant to discuss or even acknowledge these changes. Beyond the physical aspects, masturbation offers significant psychological benefits. Scientific studies consistently show that regular masturbation reduces stress, helps regulate mood, and even promotes better sleep, all of which contribute to better mental health. In older adults, these benefits are amplified, given that stress, anxiety, and insomnia tend to increase with age. Masturbation also triggers the release of endorphins and oxytocin, which are essential hormones for mood regulation and emotional well-being. This natural boost can help counter feelings of loneliness, isolation, or depression, which are unfortunately common among older adults. Additionally, staying sexually active, even through masturbation alone, helps improve body image and fosters a positive relationship with oneself. Men who regularly engage in this practice often report feeling more in control of their sexuality, even as their bodies undergo inevitable changes. To fully grasp the link between masturbation and prostate health, we need to understand what the prostate does. The prostate is a small but vital gland located below the bladder and in front of the rectum. It plays a key role in producing seminal fluid, which helps nourish and transport sperm. As men age, the prostate becomes more vulnerable to conditions such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, an enlargement of the prostate, and even prostate cancer. These issues can cause discomforts like frequent urination, pelvic pain, sexual dysfunction, and in more severe cases, serious health risks. But here's where it gets interesting. Scientific research suggests that regular ejaculation may help keep the prostate healthy. This is because ejaculation helps flush out potentially harmful substances and toxins from the prostate, reducing the risk of inflammation, infections, and even abnormal cell growth. A study conducted by Harvard University followed nearly 30,000 men over several years and found that those who ejaculated at least 21 times per month had a significantly lower risk of developing prostate cancer compared to those who did so less frequently. The science behind this? Ejaculation acts as a cleansing mechanism. It helps clear out old prostatic fluid, improves blood circulation in the pelvic region, and lowers the chances of cell mutations, which could lead to cancer. Another point worth noting is that regular sexual activity, whether with a partner or through masturbation, supports better hormonal balance. Testosterone and other male hormones play a role in prostate health, and consistent sexual activity helps regulate them effectively. Think of masturbation as a form of exercise for the prostate and pelvic floor muscles. Just like we exercise our bodies to maintain muscle strength and cardiovascular health, regular ejaculation helps maintain optimal prostate function. Moreover, proper blood flow to the pelvic region not only benefits the prostate, but also supports urinary health. Reduced circulation is linked to urinary difficulties, which many older men experience. Regular ejaculation helps prevent this by keeping the area active and healthy. Another crucial benefit is the preservation of erectile function. Lack of sexual activity can lead to diminished blood flow in the penile region, contributing to weaker erections over time. Regular masturbation can help maintain vascular health, sensitivity, and sexual responsiveness. Additionally, by staying sexually active, men often experience reduced performance anxiety. When you're familiar with your body's responses and maintain confidence in your abilities, intimacy becomes more enjoyable and less stressful. This also extends to couples. Open discussions about sexuality in older age can lead to stronger emotional bonds, improved communication, and greater satisfaction in relationships. Masturbation isn't just about the individual, it can positively influence the couple's dynamic. Of course, masturbation isn't the only factor in maintaining prostate health. A balanced diet, regular physical activity, avoiding smoking, and managing stress all contribute. However, the research is clear. Ejaculation is a natural and beneficial part of men's health, especially as they age. Incorporating this knowledge into your life doesn't mean you need to make drastic changes. Small, consistent habits, including sexual self-care, can lead to big improvements in your long-term health and well-being. Finally, it's important to break free from the myths and taboos surrounding masturbation. Many older men feel embarrassed or ashamed to talk about it, even with their doctors. But understanding its benefits for both mental and physical health can empower you to take control of your well-being. Remember, this is not just about pleasure, it's about quality of life, vitality, and taking care of your body and mind. Viewing masturbation as part of a healthy lifestyle helps remove guilt and replace it with empowerment. If you've stayed with us this far, you now know how essential sexual health is not only for pleasure, but for maintaining prostate health and overall well-being. Masturbation isn't just a habit, it can be a health practice. I'd love to hear from you. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments. Have you ever thought about the connection between ejaculation and prostate health before? Was this information new to you? Your feedback helps us keep creating videos that matter. And if you found this valuable, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might benefit, and of course, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what we have planned next. Stay healthy, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.